Installing the DC power cable. Crimp the positive and negative metal contacts onto the positive and negative cables respectively. Insert the positive and negative contacts into the corresponding positive and negative connectors. Secure the tightening screws on the connectors using removal wrenches. Measure the voltage between positive and negative connectors. Remove the dustproof caps and insert the positive and negative connectors into the corresponding positive and negative DC input terminals of the SUN2000.